I believe that an entrepreneur's real function and role is to actually create systems and processes that can then be passed on to other team members, be it employees, partners, or even outsourcing. So when you start a business, I know that you can fall into the trap of just working in the business, trying to service customers, trying to get your products made and out to customers. It's not bad because that's an essential part of your business, but there has to come a time where you try to work on the business and not in the business. So let me tell you how that goes. So I believe that an entrepreneur's real function and role is to actually create systems and processes that can then be passed on to other team members, be it employees, partners, or even outsourcing. So you as an entrepreneur, your main role is to create processes and systems that people can actually work. So I want to share with you what that actually looks like. So there are 3 things that I'm very big on in my own business, and by now you should know that I run a business called Stewart's Greetings, which sells customized products and wedding stationery. So everything from invitations, programs, cake boxes, table numbers, thank you cards, plaques, you name it, shirts. I remember when I just started out, I was literally everything in my business. I was the salesperson, the customer service person, the person that actually made the products, the delivery guy, literally everything. Every single thing. And like many entrepreneurs who just started out without a lot of funding too, they have to wear the hats of many different persons within the business because it's a one-man show. How I have been able to actually move beyond myself and started hiring persons is when I started to think about how I automate certain things that we do, or what system could I actually create within my business that I can then train somebody to do. So when we just started out, we used to hand cut stuff, and then I invested in a die cutting machine. And by purchasing that die cutting machine and learning how to use it and creating somewhat of a template based thing, I was able to employ somebody else to actually do that thing that I used to do. And it's the same thing that happens even today, about 11 years after starting my business. I always keep these 3 things in mind: delegate, automate, and eliminate. So every single process within my business, I always look at it and I say, what can I do in terms of these 3 things? Can I automate it? Can I delegate it? Can I eliminate this process? So I'm always thinking about better ways of doing the same things. So I'm going to give you an example. Right now, we are building an e-commerce platform for Stew's Greetings. So it's basically somewhere you go on our website, you can browse tons of products and then select a product that you want, order it, and have it produced and shipped to you anywhere in Jamaica, and eventually internationally. So one of the things that has been a challenge for me is the process of actually uploading products, photos, product description, prices, and everything related to it. Our website is actually built on the WordPress WooCommerce platform, and the process of actually adding products to the website is a very manual process by default. You know, you have to add every single product manually, change the product image, add the pricing and all of that. And in our case, we literally have thousands of products, thousands of designs that are on our computers that, you know, over the years we have done for different clients, you know, approaching about 5,000 brides right now. So I was a bit discouraged by the process of just having to go through and add so many products. So as an entrepreneur, the entrepreneurial side of me kicked in now, and I started to think, how can I do this more effectively? And with a bit of research and a bit of trial and error, I discovered that I can actually use a plugin to upload the items using a spreadsheet. So I would put all the items, lay them out in a spreadsheet, and then upload them all at once with price, products, image, and everything. So when I was using, say, 5 minutes to upload one product, now I'm using 5 minutes to upload even 100 products. So that's the entrepreneurial mindset. You should always be thinking about ways to improve existing processes or ways to eliminate steps in the process. And it's the same thing with something that I recently did too with WhatsApping. WhatsApping is a big part of what we do. When you have a list of how many brides are on our list right now, I think it's about 3,000, a little over 3,000 brides that are on our email list and also our WhatsApp list. And we used to have to manually message each person. Now I click a button and a message is sent out to everyone. So your job as an entrepreneur is to develop processes, develop systems that you can then train other people to work, and that frees you up from doing the work and now moving on to working on your business. I recently spoke to an entrepreneur and we were having a conversation, and it sparked this idea, and that's why I chose to actually share with you. Because even with my business right now, one of the things that has helped us to grow is me just simply developing a process to create just about every single product. Then I hire people to work that process. Every single day. So even there are days when I don't even go to the office, and I'm giving God thanks for that. You know, when I don't even go to the office, because persons are at the office who understand the process, who understand step by step how to create every single thing that we do, and then they're able to execute on it. And that frees me up as the business owner, as the business builder, as the entrepreneur, to actually work on things that will actually move the business forward. So I know this is more of a pep talk mindset, but it's very important in the world of entrepreneurship, and it has been something that is important to me. So go build your business, stop working in your business, and start working on your business. Peace out and take care. Boom.